Unremarkable means something that is ordinary, normal, or not special. In simple words, if something does not attract attention and is not very interesting, it is called unremarkable. The word has two parts. Un means not. Remarkable means something special or unusual. So, unremarkable means not special or not unusual. Now let us understand with examples. If a movie is neither very good nor very bad, you can say, the movie was unremarkable. This means the movie was average and easy to forget. If someone lives a simple life with nothing exciting happening, we can say, he lives an unremarkable life. Here are some daily use sentences. The meeting was unremarkable and ended quickly. It was an unremarkable day at school. The food was unremarkable but fine. Her performance in the match was unremarkable. The building looks unremarkable from the outside. In medical reports, doctors sometimes say, the results are unremarkable. This means everything is normal and there is no problem. Unremarkable does not mean bad. It simply means average, ordinary, or nothing special. In short, unremarkable describes something that does not stand out.